Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So Uber Cash offers a user-friendly way to make payments for your Uber-related expenses. Be it for Uber Eats or Uber Rides, with Uber Cash, you can easily deposit money into your account and then use that balance to cover your expenses. Now, when ordering from Uber Eats, simply opt for Uber Cash during the checkout process, and any remaining credit in your Uber Cash account will remain there until you use it, so eliminating the need to worry about your card details. Now, for Uber Rides, the procedure is equally straightforward. So navigate to the payment section in the app and add funds using the same method when you request a ride, and fare will be deducted from your available balance. So whether you're ordering for food for delivery or seeking transportation within the city, there's nothing quite convenient as utilizing Uber Cash. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.